Look at this candy red sweet ass stuff, man. What's up, Cricks? Back at the update of the 2JZ build. Right now I'm not at the workshop, but I'm at the machine shop where I'm gonna do some machine stuff, and let me show you what I gotta do. Let's get under the car real comfortable. This is the gearbox mount that is mounted below here. That's the engine right there. Right now we're trying to change it. Let's get this out. The previous location is over here, which doesn't fit because of this bump over here. So right now it needs to be pushed back a bit because this mount area for this R154 is over here. So from here we need to go back a bit. We've got the long shaft over here, which is the 2J, the R154 long shaft. That's my Alteza long shaft. So we're gonna take this yoke, which is this head, and put it on that, and then you can fit it over here. So they need to check the length and everything. So I had to bring it to the professionals to do it because they do a lot of machine stuff here. So today is another day where they're going to be fabricating the engine mount and also the gearbox mount. I'm right here at PET Engineering Works. This is Mr. Desmond. What's up? They do a lot of machinery works over here. They do like boring and also getting sleeves done over here. So they have a lot of machinery works over here. This guy over here also, his name is Awing. I am like super interested in fabrication stuff. I wish I could do it myself, but I definitely want more experienced people to do this because I will sure f it up. Definitely. They were telling me that why didn't I tell them first before I hit the record button is because they haven't like combed their hair, do their makeup and I need to do your makeup, that's why. Awing, makeup. Pito, where's the makeup? It's been a long holiday because of Chinese New Year. All the shops are closed. It's hard to get some stuff done. Right now everyone's back. It's been a very long holiday because everyone is like having Chinese New Year holiday, and I think Chinese New Year holiday is almost like a month. Everyone is like off. So as you can see what we got here, I'm gonna give you some update. I got this second hand, which is a G-ready intercooler. It is really huge. It is like 4-inch wide and it's pretty big. I'm still waiting for the manifold to be done before I can even do the radiator, the custom radiator and the intercooler mount. It is going to be amazing. This whole space is going to be so packed. You think, guys, is it overkill? Oh crap, it's so dirty. So much crap. Get under the car. Gotta get that leak fixed. It has a little bit of leak on my gearbox. So transmission mount fabricated, done. Looking really good. Long shaft done. R154 yoke welded to the Alteza long shaft. On the interior side, almost everything is out. I just need to get all this stuff that is the sound dampening stuff that is on the chassis. I'm gonna rip that out. Gonna be repainting the whole inside. Oh my goodness, it's dusty. RE25, check out this sweet candy. I'm not sure whether you can hear me. Wait, let's just wait for him to finish. Anytime now, no rush. Okay? Okay, so check this out. RB26, Miles building one for his customer. Look at that. Look at that. So new. But is it new though? Look at this sweet stuff right here. Twin turbo RB26, 2.6 liter. Looking good for his customer. Why? Why? Just leave it there. Using rubber gloves to close the intake. Two little snails. Also, I want to show you guys I got a new toy. I'm so happy about this purchase and I cannot stop playing with it. It's not really a toy, it's a tool. So I've been always wanting this for like the longest time, and finally I got myself free my ass. Bought it. So I'm not sponsored or anything. I bought this. I got myself a huge impact wrench. I'm so happy with this bad boy over here. And look at that. Look at that beauty, guys. I think it really comes in handy at my build right now. It doesn't sound strong, guys. Don't be deceived. It just sounds really normal, but I can show you what this bad boy does. I'm gonna find like a super rusty nut to try to open it. And trust me, this is freaking crazy. It's cordless. It runs on a battery. And I haven't really fully used it yet. I just tried opening like crank pulleys, tried opening lock nuts, and it really works fine. Don't believe me? Let's go and check it out. So I found this rusty car nut. So this is an abandoned car. As you can see, it's super duper rusty. It has 3 modes: low speed mode, medium, then fast. So I'm just gonna go fast straight away. Okay. Easy, like butter, guys. Tune. Good. Cuba tayar yang tu. So Maya is gonna give it a try on this tire. Ini Titan ke? Back. Tak, di tengah Titan. Tak apa. Test dia punya torque. Tekan saja. Woo! Kasih hammer saja. Doesn't want to give back the socket. Oh, kuat loh. Yeah, I like it because ada lampu sini. Kasih saja, hentam saja. Ini. Woo! Panas. Wow. Panas. Approve tak, Mail? Approve Approved by Mail. Saya suka dia punya hammering. Punya hammering teknologi. Macam lebih daripada kompresor kan. Dia punya hammer. The hammering system is the one that gets the stubborn nuts out because it's like the motion of the impact. One more. Woo! Like butter. Oh.
Mari, tes. Michael Chino.
The Honda Sifu guy who does all the Honda.
Good investment.
Good investment. The next thing I got. There we go. I just wrapped it up because I didn't want any dirty hands to dirty this. Because it's still new. Super small turbo. I am more interested in response over horsepower. So this is a small turbo, V-band, steel billet fins, ceramic bearing, super duper fresh, ready to get into the car. Got new spark plugs from Denso, Iridium Power. These are IK24. I got them installed just to cover the hole so that my pistons don't get dirty. Big thanks to Denso for hooking me up with the IK24s. Can't wait to try them out. Also, I want to ask you guys and comment down below and tell me, what color should I spray Eva? What color should she be? Oh my god, look how good she looks! Woo! Ismail at work. Wow, nice project. Beautiful candy red.
Maknanya tu berlakon wayang tu.
1000 horse lah.
No lah. 1002.
Hey boy, look who came in to visit Mael.
Super F-boy. And you can only trust right here at Victory, what?
Victory Motorsport.
Victory Motorsport.
Yes.
Skoo skoo.
So Danny's got a new whip. He's here to service his car. Freaking with the Seaborn fiber, man. Look at that. Seaborn fiber, guys. Seaborn fiber hood. Flex, bro. All these flex, bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Flexing, bruh. So now you're gonna understand how it feels like to play with a rear wheel drive. Rear wheel drive, guys. Rear wheel drive. So this is a BME36 that Dennis just picked up. He's very happy. The best thing about this, Dennis, the best thing about this, guys. The best thing about this, guys. It is manual! Yeah, 3 pedal! The person who introduced you this is...
Damn good lah.
It's good lah, this.
The person that introduced me, the poison, the real poison.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's me, but it's
not
a
him,
very...
he's not saying it's him.
No, it's not me. Alright, right now I'm gonna go take out the tar from the floorboard, which is all of this stuff. I've seen some cars that it's quite hard to take off, but this one seems to be easy. I just need to use like a screwdriver and a hammer to just hammer it out. So let me get to it. So far got like this side done. I actually regretted I should have done the floor first before I did the one at the gearbox tunnel, because right now everything's all dirty here and I have to get this out. But anyway, I'm gonna take a break. My back is killing me. I'm getting old.
Kacau lagi, apa lagi? Banyak ni.
Sini. Race is where? Here. 16, 17, 18, 19. 16 is done. So this is gold. Damn.
Then ni kereta dah mesiran. Ini
Hopefully. Jangan pau.
Jangan pau.
Jangan pau.
Jangan pau.
Dino bila Dino? Tak
Dino,
tahu.
thing here.
Wah, April Fool, jangan main. Nanti tu kereta jadi April Fool.
Hope Apek dapat dia punya pipe kat sini. Dah get ready lah. Ini nak kena pergi ready.
Good luck. So basically we are running for time, and right now it's February 10, and I gotta try to get the car ready on the last race for Toyota Gazoo Racing, because I might want to do a demo over there and show you guys the car, and hopefully you guys can go and see it at the last race. So hopefully we can reach here. The next race is going to be on April 17 or 18, and I don't have much time. Let's hope it'll be done so you guys can see the car on the last race of Toyota Gazoo Racing. So this is the manifold, what do you call that? Manifold tapak. Tapak, what say tapak? Manifold tapak. Manifold base, yes. The manifold base. Oh, this is a laser cut one. Mr. Woon over here, he's gonna do the manifold. He's really good at his job, welding pipes, and he's best at what he does. I've got this side out, this out. So there's actually another way to do this, but I was lazy to go out and go and get it. But I kind of gave up because I spent like 8 hours trying to take out this side only, and it took me many hours because it was quite stubborn to come off. The one on the front, it's not too bad because it's like hardened. This one is like the gooey version, so it kind of gets stubborn to come out. So actually there's another way, and I'm gonna go with this way. I went out to go and get dry ice. Yes guys, dry ice is another way to take it out. It's gonna like freeze it up and separate it from the body, from the floorboard, and it's easier to scrape out. Ooh. At least it doesn't leave residue. Oh, it's working. Oh my goodness, so much easier. See what happens if you don't. It has like the gum residue, but look at that. That is pretty good result. Yeah. Woo! Took out everything finally. All out, and that is all of the sound deadening. This is easily freaking 15 kilograms. So good thing about this is you get to reduce some weight, but you can hear everything, every stone and every surface of the road. You can hear everything because it's not gonna dampen any sound anymore. I want to show you guys, this thing is real magic. It can remove all the gunk and sticky stuff. I don't know what is it called in English, but it's called Ayatana. Yeah, that's the one that they use for like you know, fire eating shows. They use this to put inside the mouth and blow fire. So you see this gunk, I'm gonna take a cloth, pour some on it. Alright, and check this out. Magic, guys. Woo! Makes your work so much easier. Yep, that's about it. I'm gonna touch it up and I gotta go for my race in Penang. Hello! Hello! It was a great weekend for the race. If you guys haven't watched that vlog, you can go and check it out. I posted 2 videos and looking good. Look at the manifold. Too bad I wasn't around to check it out how it was done. I had to race.
Tadi dia sudah mau main kayu.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my god. So spending like many hours just now inside there trying to get out all the seam seals, and Avun asked me to come out and check it out, and it is looking sweet. Looking good, yo. I'm running 2 Wastegate on this setup, 38mm. So it's gonna be 2, one in front, one behind. It's gonna really sound sick. It's been crazy hours. I've really got out a lot of the tar and the gum. Everything's all taken out, as you can see. I'll update you guys in the next video after all is done, and you guys can see a fresh new painted interior, hopefully. So that's about it for this update of the drift car build. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Whatever you're doing, quick it up.